The other reason I really like a macrobiotic approach is because it just feels so balancing to me. I observe people. I have been part of different Facebook groups, and I have experimented myself with a variety of diets. And I don't even mean just practically plant-free, but within just being plant-based. I've been high raw, I've eaten very high fruit-based diets. I've done the more ferment approach where we minimize whole grains and emphasize the beans instead, as well as the nuts and seeds and greens. I've done the super low carb, starch-based diet. And I think these diets can all suit people at different times, and you've got to know when it works for you and when you need to change it and get yourself out of the group hive mind, because as soon as you start to eat a certain way and it becomes these rigid set of rules, to me it's like, nah, that's a deal breaker for me. I can't go there. Every person is going to be a little bit different, and if you allow the freedom to adjust and tweak your diet for your needs and not think that, oh my god, I can't eat these foods because they're bad for you, then I think you're going to do a lot better. You'll be able to sustain your diet a lot longer, and instead of like going the opposite direction and eating a super high protein and fat animal-based diet or keto diet or very low carb diet like we ended up doing, then you might be able to stay the course, which we wish we would have done.